And Dr. Bartholomew Ame called me on the phone and said, "Sir, please come. There's a dead woman here. That there's no pulse and that there's no heartbeat." And I said, "Oh God, a dead woman on crusade, on outreach ground?" So I rushed there. You are welcome again, ladies and gentlemen. As we informed you in our earlier videos, we go out to various places every April, every August, and every December to conduct medical outreaches. This December, between the 13th and the 15th of December, we were in the village of Ajiolo. Ajiolo is in the Kina local government of Kogi State. In the course of this 3 days outreach, we met a total of 395 children, 890 adults, making a total of 1,285 people that God led us to provide medical assistance to. Out of that number, we operated 96 eyes and we carried out 51 other surgeries like hernias, appendicitis, and other things that we did for people. At the end of the day, 420 people surrendered their hearts to Jesus, children and adults. This is what we do. This is the errand Jesus has sent us. And this is the center for our lives. We seek first the kingdom of God and His righteousness. Let me tell you, there is a lot of suffering and poverty in Nigeria. During the course of this outreach, on the second day of the outreach, one woman was brought to the doctor's consulting room, the school classroom where we're using. And Dr. Bartholomew Ame called me on the phone and said, "Sir, please come. There's a dead woman here. That there's no pulse and that there's no heartbeat." And I said, "Oh God, a dead woman on crusade, on outreach ground?" So I rushed there. I found a dead woman was sitting on the chair. She didn't quite die yet, but the doctor put his hand here. No pulse, but the woman is sitting on the chair. She's talking. We brought a blood pressure machine. To find out what her blood pressure is, the blood pressure machine could not record anything because there was no blood. In fact, it was the doctor who said so, that there is no pulse and there is no heartbeat because there was no blood for the heart to pump. This is how we laid hands on this woman and began to pray and cry unto God. After about 4 or 5 minutes of prayer, the pulse was found. So we rushed her to the hospital and they were looking for her veins. Eventually, they found a vein and some blood came out for them to do tests. The following morning, I went to the hospital and I was told that the woman survived. This is what we face. looking at that woman, you know that it was malnutrition, no food to eat. It was an 8-year-old girl that brought this woman to the outreach grounds. An 8-year-old woman. This woman, I'm telling you, cannot be anything less than 65, 70. People are suffering. No resources, nothing. I'm telling you this because there's something you can do about it. Go to your own village. Carry 1 or 2 doctors who are your friends and nurses. Spend something like 30,000, 50,000 naira. Help people. Help your people, and God will bless you for it. This is the primary school in the village of Ajiolo. This is part of the crowd, the early comers to the outreach that was held 13th to 15th of December 2021. This is the crowd. This is the morning devotion where we speak to them and pray with them before beginning to consult with the doctors. Now the morning devotion has ended. They are going back to where they will collect cards and file up to see doctors. This is the team. Our doctors, our nurses, auxiliaries, where some of the patients are sitting down there, but you will see laboratory attendants there, you will see vital signs people. These are the people that traveled mainly from Abuja. The doctors came from Makurdi, mainly. So our team came from mainly Abuja, Makurdi, and Ayamba into the village of Ajiolo. That is the same team. Is part of the team. The team also. These are the last one. These are doctors. These are doctors. These are the doctors that did the work. They came to sacrifice to help these people. These are them again. You can see the sort of things you run into in a village. Can you see that this thing is sapping the life of this woman? These are the sort of things that you run into in a village. There's nothing that this woman could do to help herself. This is the sort of problem that you run into in the villages. This is the same woman, that beautiful woman, but this thing has messed up her life. These are the people God has sent us to help. It's another woman with problem with her legs. It's worse than you are seeing, but these are the people God sent us to help. You can see, I don't know what you call this, but her skin began to turn black. Whatever was coming from under the skin, only doctors could tell, but it was a matter of prayer. After prayer, I saw this woman the day after she was prayed for, and this black skin started turning normal already after prayers. This is another problem. This is a hydrocele. I don't know what they call this in water, and fat gathering there, and it can be painful. This is the sort of thing that we operated on. You can see that is the same boy with this problem. Can you see what the devil is doing to human beings? Painful, painful. How can your life be productive with this sort of thing hanging on your leg? These are sort of things that we had to deal with. And this little boy also had a problem with the leg. And God helped us to be able to attend. This is the woman I talked about, the woman without pulse. If you look at this woman, you could see that it is hunger. It is lack of food. This is inadequate nutrition. As she's sitting there, you see the doctor's hand, they are looking for pulse. They can't find it. In fact, the doctor said, how is it that this woman walked into that place alive? And that if we should tell this woman to stand up from where she was sitting there like this and step outside that classroom. If she fell at that point that she would never get up. But as we prayed for her, God helped, the pulse came back and we were able to take her to hospital. She survived. This is a prayer session. Somebody was being prayed for and delivered from the power of Satan here. This is operation going on, the hernia operation. These are doctors in action. This is another hernia operation. These are the operations that we are seeing. And God is helping these people who cannot help themselves. It's a terrible, terrible thing you see. Our doctors in action. This is a ward in the local primary health clinic that we turned into a theater and we use in the village of Ajiolo to help the people. These are medical personnel at work helping people. There's another operation going on here. These are the things God has sent us to do for people free of charge. 1 naira we didn't take from anybody. And these doctors are donating their services and just, transportation and a little honorarium, but actually they're just helping the people out of the goodness of their hearts. These are the drugs we carried, part of the drugs we carried to help the people. As you can see, 1,885 people came and were helped. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe so that any video we post, you are the first person to receive it. Send this video, forward it to your friends and send us your comments. That will help us to do better. Thank you for tuning in today and God bless you.